Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning,
So this
everyone.
is our
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. To my voice, it's quite very.
So this is our first NPI live for this year. I think we can continue with our first new product, which is the makeRex. makeRex DIY 3D pen bundle. So do you have any sample with you? Any? So this one is the 3D pen with makeRex guide book. Kan? The copy printing book. So it's very handy for kids to begin their 3D printing journey. So also included in the pack is the PLA random color PLA filaments. So comes with the adapter and the USB cable. But bear in mind the adapter is US type adapter. Maybe you'll need a universal adapter if you're using the UK type adapter, UK type plug. Okay. Huh?
Do we have the sample? Hussein, do you have it?
Yes. Hold on, just
Yeah.
let me share the screen. Sorry, my noise is very loud in the back.
Yeah, don't worry. Everyone is working from home, you know.
Okay, so this is the box actually.
Understandable.
So you will receive this one. So inside here, you'll get the sticker, the makeRex sticker, and this is the booklet actually. So you can trace the drawings. Okay, this is the drawings, and you'll get some sample filaments, the PLA filaments, and also it's enclosed in the
The
back.
three
So this is the 3D pen actually. Let me use the focus. Okay, so this is the 3D pen. You receive the 3D pen. Okay, then it comes with the holder lah. I mean, after you're using, you just can place it like this. Place it, and then also this is the one Atira mentioned just now, the adapter. So this is the adapter actually.
it's the EU adapter, EU type
Yeah,
plug.
EU type. And this is the cable basically. So it's a DC jack to USB cable. One end is the USB, another end is the DC jack. All right. So this is the first product for today, and
The price is
the price is 49 ringgit and 90 cents. The price is 49 ringgit and 90 cents. Okay. So we have 38 in stock. So try to grab it before it's gone. So let's move to the next product. Okay. This is
next product is the wooden robot kits. I have it with me. One of the kits.
okay. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay. Maybe I can show the product.
I have the solar panel kit, but you have jap. Move to this side lah. I can see or not? So in the kit, we have paint and brush. This one is random colored. So whatever color you get is random. And we have the guidebook to guide you through your projects, how to assemble and how it works. Right. Then we have the sticker. It's this the similar one to the one included in the 3D pen kit, and also the wooden robot kits. We have 3 inside here, and also included AA battery for your projects. So this is a complete kit. We have in the page 6 different variation of kits, which one of them is this one lah. This one is solar power. The other one we have robotic, mechanical, vehicle, and others. Masa semua dalam satu set ada 3D pen. Yep. For makeRex 3D pen, all side got 3D pen. But for this wooden robot kits, we have three different types of wooden robot in one kit. Okay. Okay, first.
So actually we have a few options lah for here. So robotics, mechanical,
renewable energy, solar,
vehicle, and also electronics.
Yep. This is the example of.
Oh, it's another example. Wait. Oh, sorry. Okay.
This is the example of the assembled one of the wooden robot already assembled. I think this one is in mechanical kit together with the music box. Can hear or not? So this one, the inside looks like this. It's very simple. They can learn how it works. This one is a safe box. You can the default code is 000, but you can change your preferred code, safe code. This one, you just push upward and change the code. Now you have to remember the code lah. You cannot open. Oh, this correct code can open. If you put a different code, then cannot open already. Right. That's very interesting lah. Another one I can show you is this one. This one is renewable energy one. Then you can see the lights turning on inside the LED. Using wind turbine, just to show that kinetic energy can change to electrical energy that lights up the LED inside here. All right. All right. So if you're interested, then you can get this one of this or all kits from here.
There is a icon there, right? Hussein, you browse to there. The video of the assembly will appear. Then you can
Yep.
watch it.
I play. Oh, yeah.
You can watch a video for easier.
So actually, so it shows how the assembly all, how it is assembled. So for all the product, actually we have the how to assemble all the videos. So that this for actually you can just go and just put the cursor there, then it will come and then just press the play button, and comes with the manual also, like Atira mentioned just now. So the
By the way, one thing to mention about the manual, you have the sticker back here with the picture of the wooden robots back here. Then once you're done with the robots, then you can paste it at the front page here. You have 3. Yeah, it's one. It's like achievement. Your achievement here, badge of achievement, like Girl Scout. So all sets have different stickers, and also they have activities at the back. Different kit got different activities, so you can try.
the sticker, I think usually the kids usually love it lah. I mean, most of the
Yep.
kids book I saw, they have this kind of accomplishment. So like whatever milestone they have achieved, so they can just like put it, and they feel like they have achieved something. I mean, just to encourage them to do more. Right. So let's move to
At the same time,
the
they can learn about this
yes,
stuff.
correct. So the price for the product is 44 ringgit and 90 cents. So you have 125 installment for different, all the price are same for all the different series. The price are the same, and you can grab it while the stock lasts. Okay, and let's move to the next product for today. So
Next
this is
product
the
is
Pimoroni RGB keyboard base for Raspberry Pi Pico.
this one.
All right. So let me. Okay.
It doesn't come with Pico, yeah. It's only the base. But the keypad is silicon type. You can program this this board using Pico MicroPython. Yep. The There's RGB color at the keyboard, yeah. Hussein, can you play the YouTube video that I shared? Share in private chat. No audio. Cannot hear. You need to share again maybe. And enable the audio. This one is very interesting. Well, not. Now can hear. Can create music. Maybe can act like dumb pad.
There's one customer from reviewer from Thailand. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Sawadee-krap.
Hello, and welcome to a first look at the Pi.
The silicone pad can be customized. The color can be customized according to your desires. What color you want your silicone pad to display. This silicone pad actually comes in. You have to assemble it yourself. It comes unassembled, but the assembly is very simple. You just have to sandwich them together like this. And see, you just have to screw it down at the back. Yeah. The screws are included together with the rubber feet. So it's very, very interesting lah. You just have to paste the rubber feet at the back here. But you have to be sure to get soldered Pi Pico, else you cannot stuck them at the headers.
Okay.
Right. So the price is?
Okay, let me change the screen. Okay. So the price is 145 ringgit.
Yep.
145 ringgit. Okay.
By
No
the
more
way, I
actually
think
discount.
we should because there's more than 2 weeks already. So but there is a extra 10% discount, right?
Discount.
Yeah. So do highlight that, Hussein.
At the below there, as you can see, the scrolling. So you
Don't
can
have
use
the
the
2 weeks
code.
NPI discount already. What is it?
And I mean, we are at the bottom. We have the 10% additional discount, right, for the new product.
Yep.
Listed under the description. So you can use this code lah when you're purchasing before checkout. Use this code.
Limit to 10 people only.
Yeah. So you need to be fast before before people grab or check out before event.
NPI 10 card.
10 card. So that's about the Pimoroni. I mean, one good Pimoroni. This one is like more like people who used to play with the RGB, right, and the button. Usually, like they make the music. Because I saw one of the Adafruit, so this like quite interesting lah. I mean, to play with the music and the lights, the RGB lights. So for the resources, you can always come here, down here, and you have the data sheet, sample libraries, and also the schematics lah. And also you have examples if you're using a MicroPython, you can always, there's a link here. You can always come by here and
The
try
examples
to see.
you can try.
Yes. And also for the Pico, you can always click here. We have in stock. So you can always add here if you're purchasing it together. Right. So that's about the third product for today.
And next product is
Next product is the Raspberry Pi compute module for mini baseboard. Actually,
Yeah,
this is a baseboard. Actually, okay. Ober has it.
yeah, I have it. So this is the baseboard. This is for Raspberry Pi compute module. Okay, compute module. So it's compatible with all compute module 4. So it's either eMMC or MMC, wireless or non-wireless, and also the RAM size. Okay, so this is the board. Of course, you can see the detailed picture in the product page. Okay, I show you the physical. It come with Ethernet. So you have an Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, to USB 2.0. Okay, full size HDMI. Then here is camera, two camera port. So this is a bit unique compared to the normal Raspberry Pi board. So two camera port. Okay. Then what else you have? You have USB-C for the power and also to load the image in case you are using eMMC compute module. If in case you are using this is actually a non-wireless. Let me see eMMC. Also light one. Okay, non-wireless and light. So this one you need an SD card lah. Okay, so SD card, if you need the SD card, is at the back. And this baseboard also support NVMe memory SSD. Okay, and it also come with two mounting screw for your eMMC and not eMMC, NVMe SSD, because the size is 22. I'm not sure you can see it. 2230. Another one is 2242. Now this is the MEMB size. Okay. So MEMB is SSD. Yeah. Okay. Solid state memory. So you can support. Okay. What else? Then you can also extend extra HDMI. No. So actually CM4 come with two HDMI, right? But this baseboard have one only. It's full size. You can have option. Later Hussein will show the product page. This is optional. You can get the expansion board. So this part actually connect to the bottom of this. Okay, connect like this or like this. I think it's like this. Okay, let's connect like this. Then you get two USB 2.0 and one extra full size HDMI. Okay. But this is option. Okay, optional. And then anyway, you still have one DSI port here in case you want to connect to touch screen. Okay, so you can use this. Then the standard 40 pin GPIO, is there. Okay, so I think that's all. Very quite a nice board for CM4. So anyone want to use CM4, you can get this. It's very compact compared to, if you compare to this is the official CM4 IO board. This is quite big lah. This is official. And if you compare side to side, this is very small and compact. Okay.
Almost the size is almost like a Raspberry Pi size.
Yes. Model
like
B lah.
Model B.
Model B. Yep. So it's very convenient lah because if you get a CM4 only, there's no way to access and get started lah. So you need a carrier board lah. So this is a very compact and convenient carrier board. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I think we have few comments here. For
Yep.
the one lampu Raspberry Pi Pico semuanya.
Oh.
Yes. Just the Raspberry Pi Pico is not included lah.
Yeah.
Other than that, you will get everything except the Raspberry Pi Pico. And also from another Mike Wong. So I think he just bought the Pico RGB keypad.
Oh, show us lah. Show us your project. If you don't mind.
Always can share the project with us.
Yeah.
And also have fun with MicroPython. I think he's using the MicroPython, the Circuit Python.
Yeah.
For also nice product, Pimoroni.
The board comes like this only. doesn't have the Pico.
So he mentioned that CM4 is out of stock. So I think we will restock in.
Yeah. From the news, I think from our purchasing, I think CM4 will be out of stock until May this year. So if you can grab it, you grab it first. It will be until May. Okay.
Okay, then also when Pi 4 will be available again.
54B is on the way. Next week, we are expecting next week we will have another restock. But it will be only 2G and 4G. It's on the way from UK. Yep. Again, it's limited. This is the
Price,
size,
size.
size
Correct.
of the MEMB. It should be 2242. The longer one should be 2242.
Yeah. It's not 2245, it's 2242.
2242.
2242.
But it's quite
So,
standard. Don't worry.
also when CM4 Lite will be available. It's like
Yeah,
more
May.
May.
Our estimation is May. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so
Look at this. Yep. Oh, there is a MPI discount still.
currently we still have the discount for this product. So the actual price is 98 ringgit. So you'll get a 20% off, which is cost you 78 ringgit and 40 cents.
They can add on 10% with the
The
NPI 10 card coupon code.
NPI time card. So they'll give you around 30% discount. So try
Yep.
to grab it before it's not like what here you have the more details in the product page. You can always come by and see the more detail about the product, the function, the pinouts, the details of the product, and also this is what Oba mentioned just now to install the SSD. It's how it looks like to install here, and it supports like two display, dual display and dual camera also. Okay, then we have some more. So this one berapa harganya? Berapa harganya? So if your Afiq is referring to this is the price lah. Actual price is 98, so you have a discount of 20%, 78 ringgit and 40 cents. And on top of that, you can get a 10% additional discount using the code on the banner down there. You can see that.
You can get the 10% if you're early enough. It's
Early,
limited to 10
limited.
people only.
So you have question also. CM4 Lite is 4G or 8G?
Actually, CM4 Lite refer to no eMMC on board. So for example, what I have here is actually a CM4 Lite with no eMMC. There should be let me see. There should be a eMMC IC over here. So for this board, there's no eMMC IC. This is actually the CPU. This is actually the RAM. Okay, and beside its Lite, it also no wireless. So this board is the version, the minimum version, whereas there's no wireless and there's no eMMC. So the 4GB, 8GB actually refer to the RAM. Okay, the RAM size over here. Okay, so for CM4 there are 32 variation. Okay, so just imagine you have 4 RAM size, 1GB, 2GB, 4GB and 8GB. So there's 4 variation already. So among these 4 RAM size, there's another 2 variation on top of that 4, which is non-wireless and wireless. So you have 8 already, right? You have 8 already. So on top of this 8, you have another 2 variation, which is come with eMMC. eMMC or non-eMMC. Okay, so just now it's 8, now becomes 16. Okay, 16 already. And on top of the one that come with eMMC, you actually have choice of 8GB, 16GB and 32GB. So it becomes 32 variation. So that's the thing. You have a lot of choice. Yeah.
I think Mike Wong has asked about what discount. The discount is
Yes, at the bottom.
at the bottom. You can see the code is running there, and also we have the 20% is for the new product. Usually we give the discount when we launch the new product, so we'll have that. So you can get about 30% or 30% of discount. But this one is limited. The one the 10% additional is limited. So be fast to grab it.
Yep.
Okay. So let's move to the fourth product. Sorry, the fifth product for today.
I
Okay,
think
this
this
is
one.
the USB. So okay.
Yeah, I think this one. So just now I explained already. This is optional to extend the base, the Model A base, CM4 base from this to get additional full size HDMI and another two USB 2.0. Okay.
Okay.
So if you need more, then you get this and combine with this, you get more ports. Okay.
Okay, so the actual price for the product is 19 ringgit and 50 cents. And currently we are giving 19% discount. So you can grab this at 15 ringgit and 84 cents. So we have 8 in stock. You can grab while stock lasts. And here's how the connection is done, as Ober has shown you this now. This is how it's done. And okay, for more detail, you can always come to the bottom of the page. You can see here the features and how the design of the dimension of the board actually looks like. Okay, so that's about the USB and HDMI adapter. Let's move to the next product for today, which is the 34 volt step down 5 volt 5 ampere regulator.
This one is,
has the product.
I have it. Yep. It's sealed, so I will not open it. Anyway, it's quite small. Okay, so this is the PCB, and they come with two type of header. Okay, two type of header. Let's look at the product page. I think the product page is more interesting. So,
Okay.
why we carry this? Because a lot of industry user want to step down, let's say 24 volt or 12 volt from switching power supply to power the Raspberry Pi. So actually, this request is from industry. So you can use, the normal 7805 for 5 volt regulator, but the ampere and the in rush current is not sufficient to power the Raspberry Pi stably. So this one can output 5 amp of 5 volt power, and the input voltage range is quite big, from 6 volt up to 38 volt. So you can use any switching power supply from 12 volt, let's say, the big chunky power supply. A lot of industry use that. So they can use 12 volt, let's say, because externally they might need to use 12 volt because of relay, 12 volt relay or 24 volt relay. So they need the 12 volt or 24 volt. But Raspberry Pi or a lot of main board actually use 5 volt. So you can use this to provide a very stable supply, very stable regulated power to your Raspberry Pi. Okay, and we are using it for industry application. Okay, it's very good. Do we still have the discount? So all this is Hussein is showing the spec lah. Yep.
Spec, yes.
Oh.
So we still have the discount for the product. We have 20% off. The actual price is 109 ringgit. So currently we are giving 20% off for this product, which is cost you 87 ringgit and 20 cents. So we have 15 in stock. So try to grab it while it lasts. And okay, so that's about the product. So let's move to the next product, which is the Groove. Actually, I have it with me, but I'm not sure I'm able to demo it or not. Okay, so this is the Groove 0.54 inch quad alphanumeric display. Before this, we have shown the dual display before this. So now we are carrying in the four display. Okay, so this is the 4 display. Okay. Let me share the camera. Okay. So this is how it looks like, the display. It's a 4 display. Wait, I think I need to zoom in a bit. It's a 4 display, quad display. Before this, we carry the 2 type.
14 segment display.
14 segment. So before this, we carry the two. Now we are having the fourth also for four alphanumeric display. Actually, I have the code here to demo. Let's see. Let's see if we can demo the code. So just to demo this one. Comparing. Okay. So I think it's not so clear. And so you can use this for clock because you still have this this 2 dot LED here, which is usually we use it for to display the clock. We have 2 dots. So that's about the 4 display. And let's see what detail about the product. Okay. So it is basically the same. It's using the groove connector. It's a groove type. So we are using the groove, and it's a normal spec actually. You can go through here. And for resources, you always come through the bottom of the page. You have the sample code and also the schematic and the datasheet as well. And for the price of this product, the price is 36 ringgit, and currently we are having 20% off for this product. So you can grab this at 28 ringgit and 80 cents. And always remember that we are having the 10% additional discount for the NPI 10 card. We have 10 only, so try to grab it before it went out. So that's about the groove display. And next, let's move to the next product, which is the groove SSD 131 OLED display, 0.9 inch display. So basically, this is a dual color display. Actually, I'm not demoing. I just show it the product is with me. Let me share the product with me. Okay, so I think it's clear. It's clear. Okay. So this is the display. Previously, we have the normal display, which have only one single color. So currently, it's a blue and yellow color, and it's a groove type as well, the display. And so blue and yellow. Usually, it's like half is blue and half is yellow lah. The color would be. And here's the image. As you can see, the top one is the yellow, the below is the blue color. And this is a I2C connection. It's changeable. Okay, these are normal spec now of the groove actually. And always you can come here for the resources. You can see here for the sample code, the datasheet, and for the display or the display on the datasheet and the sample code as well. So the price for this display is 24 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off as well for this product. So it will cost you 19 ringgit and 20 cents. So currently we have 7 in stock. So grab it while the stock lasts. Okay, so we have okay. I think Mike Wong has said, yeah, this is the code lah. This is a 10% additional discount on top of the 20% or the whatever discount we are giving for the new product. You can get a 10% additional discount for this. And this one was tech. I'm not sure what it means. Was tech. Okay. Okay, so that's about the groove display. Let's move to the next product. which is the Ender 3 or Ender 3 Pro open-ended timing belt. So this is actually for the 3D printer, Creality 3D printer, Ender 3. So usually like it's about wear and tear of the 3D printer. So after some time, the belt need to be changed. Usually not the case, but sometimes you need to change the belt due to the some. I mean, it's not. I mean, the alignment is running or it's not working, so you need to change the belt. So, are we showing the belt? No, I think no. Right?
No,
No.
we don't
Okay.
have that around here.
Right.
Just have
So
to show from the product page.
for that page, okay. So actually, you have two type of belts for the x-axis and the
Why is this?
y-axis. So usually they differ in the length. So for the x is a bit more, it's a bit more long, and y is a bit shorter lah. Okay. So here in the product page it is mentioned here, and this is how it looks like. Okay. So the price for the product is 9 ringgit and 80 cents. So since we have launched this, the 2 weeks have gone, so
More than 2
there's
weeks
no more
ago.
discount. More than 2 weeks. So there's no more discount now. But you can still try
But
you can apply the NPI 10 card discount. Okay, so the price is 9 ringgit and 80 cents. You can always have in one to have one in your inventory lah. Just in case your 3D printer have the timing belt problem, you can always change it. Okay, let's move to the next product. This is the Snapmaker 2.0 rotary module with emergency stop button. Okay, so this is actually for the Snapmaker 2.0, but you can add this module for it's a rotary module. Rotary module, and a few options here. Okay, these are the picture of it. So this is for the rotary. Usually, I mean, for the Snapmaker, is always we are using a laser or the 3D printer or the drill bit, but this one is for the rotary, for the rotary. And these are the details of the product here, and you have the video also how it's a new product and how it's installed on your Snapmaker 2.0. And these are some of the images how it's done. Right. Okay, so you can always come and visit the product page here to know more about how it works, the product, how the rotary works, the rotary module, and it comes with the emergency button as well. So like in any case, like usually most of the CNC machine will come with that emergency stop button because we don't know when something goes wrong. So you can always press the emergency stop button to stop the operation. So these are the price for the this is the price for the rotary Snapmaker A2.4T rotary module only, and a few bundles are available here, right? So you can just see what is the most relevant model for you. And currently we don't have any discount here because the product is already I think more than 2 weeks already, so there's no discount for this one, but you can always try to apply the NPI 10 card discount, the 10% discount. And okay, the price differs lah. I mean, on the model it differs with the models. Okay, so that about the Snapmaker 2.0 rotary module. And let's move to the next product. Okay, this is the for Snapmaker as well. And this is the premium enclosure.
for
So if you're
Snapmaker
for Snapmaker,
also.
if you are placing your machine inside a closed environment, I mean in somewhere like in your workshop, or not workshop, usually okay, in your room or in a very closed space. Because usually when you're working with CNC, one of the problem is the dust and the smoke. I mean dust, usually the dust is the issue. So this enclosure uh, will will be helpful. I mean to make your room a bit more, I mean to reduce the dust coming out of the machine. Okay, so for the product, okay, these are the features of the product. It's a laser reduction, noise reduction, smell and fume shielding, dust shielding, good lighting, stable environment for sensitive elements. So it covers most of the things lah. I mean, if you're using if you're 3D print, you're using the Snapmaker for the 3D printing, for the laser, for the CNC. It covers most of the things lah. And in the product page, you can see and I have the more details of the product Okay, so you have for the fume extraction, you have the exhausting system as well. In the lightning, you have lightning. So the price for the enclosure for the A25T, it costs you 2,249 ringgit, and currently we are giving 10% off for this product. So okay, that's the 2,249 is the discounted price. The actual price will be 2,499 ringgit. So we have
And again, you can add on another 10% discount.
with the NPI 10 card, you can get a 20% off for this product. And we have two in stock, so you can grab while the stock lasts. And for the A35T, it will cost you a bit more, which is 3,199 ringgit. And with 10% off, you can grab this at 2,879 ringgit. Right, so we have
20%.
Getting it minus 20%. So 20% off is quite good discount actually. So you can grab while the stock
Surely
lasts.
it's a good deal.
Okay, so let's move to the next product. It's all for the Snapmaker also. This is the straight groove V beats for Snapmaker 2.0. 3 beats actually. It comes with 3 beats.
This one is for engraving.
Engraving, yes. It's for engraving. So, okay, let's see. So this is a groove I for Rotary projects and detail-oriented works. Size makes stand out. Most Rotary carving tasks and customized through Snapmaker Lumen for Axis. Okay, I believe this one is for okay. This one is for the Rotary module, I believe. This one for the Rotary module. And for Axis. Okay, these are the details. I mean, what are the things you can achieve by using this type of bit actually. And there's a video here. Okay, the angle again, the spec is that 20-degree angle actually, this one. Because usually for the CNC, they have the angle, a different angle will give you a different result. So this one is a 20-degree angle, right? So this comes with 3 bits actually. You have 3 bits. So the price for this product is 72 ringgit and 50 cents. And we are giving 50% off for this product. You can grab this at 61 ringgit and 60 cents. So if you are into rotary engraving, so you can always grab this. So we have 9 in stock. And then also you can always apply the NPI 10 card to get additional 10% discount for this as well. And let's move to the next product. Okay, sorry. And you have 10 days more now before the offer ends for this product. So let's move to the next product. Okay. This is the Snapmaker 2.0 Rotary Module Material Bundle. So let's see what's this. Okay. So Rotary Module Material Bundle. Okay. So this is for the, I think this is for the Rotary module, the material you will be using for the Rotary module actually. So you can see here. You can always use it. You can use it with the Rotary module. I mean, you can fix it to the Rotary, and you can do the laser engraving, also the CNC carving. So this is the material actually, the actual material. So it's like you have the cover enclosure, and also inside is the material itself lah. You'll get it. So the price for this product is 98 ringgit, and currently we are giving 50% off, so you can grab this at 83 ringgit and 80 cents. So we have 5 in stock and 10 more days before this offer ends. So try to grab it before the offer ends. And let's move to the next product. Okay, maybe Atira want to explain about this product.
This one is for MakerPi 3D printer. MakerPi 3D printer is a smaller version of 3D printer. The bed size is only 10 cm times 10 cm, and the height is only 10 cm also. So this is one of the wear and tear parts that have to be replaced from time to time. So yeah. So this one is the flexible magnetic pad. It's a replacement for the 3D printer. This one is original from the supplier, from the manufacturer itself, which is MakerPi. So currently we have 20% discount. 20% discount. The original price is 18 ringgit. The discounted price is 14 ringgit 40 cent. So if you need this one, then you can grab
Because
this one
usually
within 10 days.
for the 3D printer, bed is one of the issue. I mean, not the issue. I mean, the leveling. For sometimes when the leveling goes wrong, you can damage the bed lah.
Yep.
When the bed is damaged, then when you're printing, the problem is the first layer won't be so good. So when the first layer is not smooth, then you end up the printing will be not as good
Not as
or
good.
as you expected lah. So you can always give this as a spare with you. I mean, whenever it goes wrong, since you have a discount, you can grab this. And with the NPI cut, you can get a 30% off actually. If you apply another additional 10%, so you can grab
One
this.
other time you can damage your bed is when you remove your 3D printed parts. You can scratch the bottom, the surface of the bed.
Yes, yeah. It happens. I think it
And this one
happens
is
to most of the 3D printer.
Yep. And this one is one of the most important parts of 3D printer that you have to have.
Correct. Okay, so that's about the magnetic pad for the MakerPi. And let's move to the last product for today. It's the
Another product for MakerPi.
So this is a hot
Which is the
end
hot
set
end
for
set.
MakerPi.
Yep. Also one of the wear and tear parts of the 3D printer. This is the replacement nozzle for the MakerPi M1 3D printer. It comes with 0.4 mm nozzle. This is a standard size of the nozzle lah.
Yeah, usually the standard we use the 0.4. But I have no experience with MakerPi, but this one I think you need to replace as a whole set.
Yep.
Or we can always okay. So I have experience with the 3D Creality and the 3 but this one is quite new for me also. The different type of
you can try. Buy one and try.
Need to buy the 3D printer. Right, so
yeah, the price is 79 ringgit. The original price is 79 ringgit and discounted at 20%. We have NPI new product discount for 2 weeks. The discounted price is to 63 ringgit 20 cents. The offer ends in 10 days, so you can go and grab it now with additional 10% discount.
And we have nine in stock. We have 9 in stock so try
9 in
to
stock
grab it
currently.
before it's gone. So okay, because usually these are the nozzle is one of the like Atira mentioned that usually this happens like when usually because of the leveling also the bad leveling also you can damage the
Yep.
nozzle. Or after some time the nozzle need to be changed as well. So
Yep.
this will be a good to add in your inventory as well. To have if you're using a MakerPi 3D printer, so definitely can be one of the uh, item to have in your inventory just in case the nozzle you're having went wrong, so you can always have a spare in your hand.
Yep.
So that's about the last product
But
for.
be careful when replacing the hot end. Need to do it
Yes.
while it's hot.
It's very hot. You need to be careful, or else you might get your fingers burned. So that's the last product for today.
For
And for
today,
today, for the makeRex, just to share. Okay, okay. I think that's how I mean. For the makeRex, it's a new product from us actually. I think we already launched it 2 weeks ago. We already launched it.
Yep.
So it's like more for the kids to explore. Not only it's a wood without the it's not only a mechanical product. We have the electronics integrated with it. So you have a good learning experience for the kids actually. I mean, we differentiate with the mechanical, electronics, robotics, renewable energy. So whatever they are doing, they can apply both. I mean, in building their skills and
it's
also
perfect for school holidays, for your kids
school
to not be
holidays,
engaged with
gadget.
electronic devices, with phones,
Yeah,
the gadget.
good.
I
So
think not
definitely
only children have fun with this, I also have fun with this.
because it's like interesting to construct, right? To construct and
Yeah,
see how it
yes,
works. Because I
yeah, I
think
have
that
fun with this.
the renewable energy just now Atira demonstrate quite interesting because like
Yep.
you have like you can experience it in front of your eyes how turbine like generate electricity, right? And from that you are lighting up the LEDs. So it's quite
And you can get
interesting.
the idea of how wind turbine works.
Yes, correct. Okay, so I think we have come to the end of our new product session for today.
Yep.
So let me change the screen. Oops. Okay, so that's all from us for now. So we shall meet again in 2 weeks' time.
Next 2 weeks.
Next 2 weeks.
Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you for tuning in. So
See you
bye
next
bye.
2 weeks. Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye bye.